Yo, what's up guys? Rich May, hashtag ACP here. Guys, today I am making hamburger helper 3 cheese. Non-sponsored. And right now guys, I'm about to turn on my hamburger, my thing so I can defrost my microwave so I can defrost the hamburger meat. Can you go follow Casey So Random on YouTube? She has 318 subscribers. Can you get her up to 500, please? That'd be great. Can you guys go get her subscribe and hit the bell on the channel, please. And the microwave just went off. Let's check the meat. Let's check the meat. Ooh. Guys, never grill oven mitts next time you get in the microwave. Because I did not do that. And defrosting refrigerator microwave. I need to find something to grab this out of this thing because this hot water's hot. Yeah, that's actually getting that meat out. Yeah, guys, when you put your meat on the pan, take it over to the stove. Turn the stove on to, I say, 6, because that's the bit burner. It needs to heat up so I can cook the meat. So, guys, I'll be back later to show you when it's cooking. Peace. What's up, guys? Meat is starting to cook. Starting to cook. To get the seasoning out. When you guys cook, get a plate. Be special on. If you don't, it could get kind of dirty. Where is it? Pepper seasoning. I think that'll be good. Natural seasoning, actually. Guys, I'll come back to you guys when something changes. So while my hamburger's cooking, my hamburger helper for that right there, I'm gonna get my lid out, but I can't find my lid, so I'm doing this. Put on top. Watch it. I'm gonna keep on watching it so I know it's done. It cooked all the way through. And guys, for me, I like to cook my rice, my noodles separate. So from the meat, because I like to know when it's cooked all the way through. So yeah, I see you guys again when something changes again. Peace, guys. Something had to change. I had to add 2 of these hamburger patties to this because I didn't have enough meat. So yeah, that happened. So guys, right now I'm gonna put the back burner on because I'm not using the front burner. I'm using the back. I put it on 8. The temperature 8. And let's check on our meats. See how it's going. So that's about to be done soon. So now I take it off the burner, put it back so I can watch the noodles cook. So guys, peace. Guys, I got an update. Guys, I'm gonna move this over here because it's very hot already. The burner is. I put the meat here. So when the rice is ready, I put the meat in there, cook it all the way through, make sure everything's cooked. put the pot there so I can wash it when everything's done. So while I'm waiting on the rice to get softened, I'm gonna clean my dishes. Hey guys, my noodles are ready. I'm about to pour my meat into the rice, so good. It didn't go splash everywhere, that's good. So I'm about to put the stuff I need to put in now so it can cook. Done, 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 done. Oh my god, that looks good. Hey guys, I just took it off the stove and it's done. It's time for me to serve the first plate, bowl, whatever I can find in the cabinet. So guys, my food is done and I'm about to make a bowl and try it for you guys. Hey guys, wish me. Hashtag AVP here. I just got done making my lunch. It's Hamburger Helper 3 cheese. If you like Hamburger Helper, if you haven't tried the 3 cheese yet, you should try it and it's delicious. So, let me take my first bite. So good. And take some water. Yo, with me here, guys. This is my outro. Guys, follow Casey's So Random up here. Stay warm, keep it wicked, and peace.